Welcome to our family's kitchen. Today we are bringing out the slow cooker. And no, I don't mean my sister-in-law. We are cooking up our family's version of Crockpot lasagna. This is one easy and economical dish. As a matter of fact, all of the ingredients were bought at Aldi's for a cost of about $21. Since this dish serves 8, that's an average cost of only $2.50 per person. I wonder, if we're using a crock pot, does this get us off to a slow start? Anyway, let's get cooking. Well, friends, that's our budget-minded meal for today. We hope you'll try our version of Crockpot lasagna. Or, as my sister-in-law says,
I made a big pot. I'll eat it or starve. So enjoy.
Well, that's it for me. If you enjoy our cooking, please tell a friend or two about our channel. Thank you, and until next time, na zdrowie.